how to connect OpenAI API key to n8n for free step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your OpenAI's API key to n8n for free, as well as we will take a look at how you can integrate your Google Gemini to n8n with the same approach. So you can switch between these two models based on your needs. So let's get started. If you talk about the requirements, what you need is first an account. If you haven't created any account, just go into description and click on the link. You will get 15 days free trial. Then you need OpenAI's account on OpenAI Playground. And then you need Gemini or AI Studio account. So we will go and set up Google AI Studio account. Now first we will set up a workflow. So what we are going to do, we will open our n8n, and as you can see here, I have opened my n8n. First, I will add a click triggered or manual trigger. Then I will add a AI agent to see how our model are working or not. Just simply add this. So as you can see, I have added. Now I will connect this chat model with our chat GPT. Search for chat GPT model. Click on this OpenAI chat model. As you can see, we have successfully added our chat model into our workflow. Now let's set up this. First, click on it, and after that, click on this create new credential. Now what we need is API key and then organizational ID, which is optional. If you are only, it is required if you belong to a multi organization, and the base URL is already set up, so you don't need base URL. But if you are using hosted version, I guess you need that URL. Now what we are going to do is open this OpenAI's Playground. As you can see here, just let me search. So search for OpenAI Playground and click on the first link. And if you are a new user, it will ask you to create an account. Just simply sign in with your Gmail or email, and you will be prompted to this dashboard. This is a dashboard of OpenAI Playground. As you can see here, from the left side, you will see your navigation bar. You have a lot of options like usage, API keys, log, storage, batches. These are all other things. Now, what we have to focus on is API key. Click on this API key and click on this create new API key. Now from here, you will see owned by you or service account. If you're using service account, you have to enter the service key name, which is optional. And then you have to select the project, which is default. Right now, I'm going to use I will add my test key, connection, test. I will add test 1. And then I will choose default one. Now permissions, restricted, read only. I will go with the permissions. Click on this create API key. Now, as you can see, the API key has been generated. Just copy this and get back to our workflow and paste this API key. Now click on the save. It will test the API key, and as you can see, the connection tested successfully. Just close this and let me see the ChatGPT is working or not. Okay, let's execute our first AI chat model. So search for what is the capital of USA. Hit the enter. Now it will give the capital of the USA is Washington, DC. The chat model is working well. This is a free API key, as you can see here. But the main problem with this OpenAI chat model is that you can use this model in a certain only certain time, because it has a limit of credits. Like you can only use 1,000 credits for new account. Now you can use this chat model, OpenAI chat model, for testing purposes to see how it is working, if you want to buy or not. But if you want to use the free version of a big and you can say a good LLM chat model, then just remove this and add Gemini chat model. If you don't know about Gemini chat model, it is basically Google's chat model. This is free right now. So in order to access this Gemini chat model, you have to set up the credential as we did with the OpenAI. So in order to do that, just let me open my new tab. And in order to see you, let me search AI Studio Google. And then click on this first link. Now, if you are new to Google AI Studio, it will ask you to create an account. So I have already created an account. So just simply, if you're new, just simply log in with your Gmail account or email. So it will take you to this dashboard. So from top, you will see there is an option of get API key. Click on that and scroll down. As you can see, I have created a lot of API keys. Now, from the top right corner, you will see there is an option of create a new API key. Just simply click on, and then it will ask you to search. If you have created a project into Google console.cloud, it will show you here. But if you want to create, if you haven't created any account on Google console.cloud, so what you have to do is just simply go into Google console.cloud and click on the second link which says console.google.cloud.google.com. So this is this is where you have to create a project. From the top, I have already created lots of projects, so something will showing like this. But if you are new, you have to click on this open project picker. Now from the top, you have to click on this new project. Now from here, I have already crossed the limit of creating free projects, but if you are new, you will get around 13 projects to create for free. So I will choose existing project from here and click on this create API key. Now it will give me the API key. Copy the API key and let me close this. Go to your or workflow and go open your node. And now from here, click on this create new credential and paste that API key which you have copied from AI Studio and click on the save button. As you can see, the connection tested successfully and cross this. Now you can choose model from here as well. Like these are the free ones. So you can choose different models from here. There are a lot of options you can choose, but I am choosing this model Gemini 2.5 Flash. Let's test our model. Click on this open chat and write a short script for my YouTube short on n8n. It should have intro as well as about description about n8n. Let me see how it works. So it is taking time because I have entered a lot of big prompt. Now, as you can see in the output, YouTube short script automate like a pro with n8n. So he created a good script, as you can see here in the output. This is an input and this is an output. Now, after once you connected, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini directly into your workflow. You can automate tasks like writing and translating and summarizing or even responding to a customer queries. You can create chain AI responses with tools like Gmail, Google Sheet, Telegram, and more. Once you connected your chat model, you open a lot of opportunities for creating workflow for free. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.